Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus 2 game not launching or not opening, won't start, unable to open error on PC. So let's go through the method. The very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after searching for the game on Steam, just go below and here we'll find the requirements to play the game. All the minimum as well as the recommended requirements are available over here. Make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next solution is to run the game from installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on run as administrator, or simply double click on it and then check whether the game is launching or not. If not, you should run the game as administrator. So for that, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the same issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. It may take some time, wait for it, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, and under general here you have to type -DX11, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, type -D3D11, and now try to launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand your display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game and enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, click on gear icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options as shown in the image over here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay options as shown in the picture. Next solution is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. Now select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, you can search for Visual C++ files in Google or simply go through the link that I have already provided in the description. Simply copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. This will download Visual C++ files. You have to open it. You will get repair or install option, click on it, wait for some time, and after that close this, restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection, go below, click on manage settings, and here turn off real-time protection. After you have done this, again go to the search option, this time search for control panel. After that, click on Windows Defender Firewall, click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off, and here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings, and after that click on OK, and then launch the game and check if you can play it. But later on come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. Next solution is to move the game to SSD. So if your game is not installed on SSD, then you are suggested to check whether it is installed or not, because most of the time when the game is not installed on SSD, you can suffer from crashing or several other issues while playing the game. So you have to go to Steam, click on Steam, click on settings. After that click on downloads, so click on storage, and here you will find all the games that is listed or installed on SSD or on other drive. So from here you have to simply select it, and after that select the game, click on the move option. So this will move your game to the SSD. After that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update system BIOS. For that, first check your motherboard model. Now visit its support page and download the latest BIOS. After that follow the official instructions for BIOS flashing. Finally restart your system and test the game, and after that check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that from here you have to add your game to the list. For that click on add a desktop app. After that go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus II game. For that go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and then click on uninstall option. This will remove the game from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and again reinstall Warhammer 40,000 Mechanicus II game, and then click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.